What's going on, everybody? I'm Seth with MK Carpet Cleaning, and I just wanted to show you guys real fast an issue I was having with my Little Giant heater. The other day I was working on the job and went to light it up, and it would quit in the middle of the job, so I didn't know what was going on with it. So I came back out, shut the machine off, restarted it, got everything going again. Same thing happened again, kept happening again and again and again. Never could get it lit. I would hold the pilot light down, turn the pilot, crank it up. The pilot light would hold it, but as soon as I would let go of the pilot light, it would go out. Come to find out, after talking to some of the guys in the group, it was right here, the thermocouple. I just wanted to give you a quick video of what I did. I know Les has got a much better, more detailed video, but I'm just gonna show you just the basics real quick. Basically, unscrew this part right here, come down here, put that part in, and just as a heads up, I went to Lowe's and got a 24 inch. I don't know if you can see this here. This is a 24 inch. It was too short. It came to about right there. You need a 36 at least. I don't think there's one in between that, but this is the 36. You can tell it's got a little bit extra room. I need to look the kinks out on that, but for right now it's temporary. I just wanted to make sure it's working. And as you can see down there, it's working just fine. But anyway, I just want to give you a quick video on how to do that. Like I said, you just take a 3/8 up at the top, and I think it's 7/16 down here for that. And just unscrew it and put the new one in. And as you can see, the pilot light is going. The flame is heated up to where it's supposed to be, and the pilot light is staying on now, so we're good to go. But again, hopefully this will help out some people, because there wasn't any videos showing you how to replace that. I know it's something simple to replace, but I'm not mechanically inclined, so I wanted to make a video just in case there's somebody out there in the same boat that I'm in.